What's happening, guys? It's myself, Liney Dampz Plays, and welcome back to another video. So this is something completely different that I'm doing for a change anyway. So I decided to unbox and review this thing that I've just bought recently because I've got a mate who's got one of these and they're absolutely brilliant as well. But thank you for supporting the channel, and we're on the way to 200 subscribers now. And not just that, the live streams have been doing well recently as well. So thank you all guys for the support as well, and just like to see the subs coming in anyway. But it's almost 2 years since I have this channel anyway. But guys, so let's get into it. So as you can see, it works with all broadband providers. So my current provider is Virgin Media, and their internet is rapidly, insanely fast as well. So this is the TP Link AV600 Powerline starter kit, and that's your model number there. So home plug AV, it goes up to 600 megabytes plug, pair and play as well, one touch security button. So if you just like using network mode on it, so this is basically plug and play. So what this plugs into the back of your computer, say if you're in the back of the house, and if your modem router is in the front of the house, that will plug into your router via the Ethernet cable as well. So what have we got here? So as you can see, this is the standard UK 3-pin power plug, and it even shows you a diagram here. So what it does, it sends the internet signal through your power line within the household as well. So easy management with TP PLC. So that's if you're setting a network up. So the package contents, you got the 2 adapters, you got 2 Ethernet cables, and quick installation guide as well. So it's pretty much simple to actually get into it. So internet from any outlet anyway. So it's really awesome how it goes through the electrical wiring, but I just got to mention, this is a lot better than gaming via the wireless internet. And especially if you're streaming on Twitch or YouTube, I recommend you get one of these. And of course, you have to have fiber optic internet of like a minimum of 10 megabytes upload speed anyway. But mine is insanely like 25 megabytes and 200 megabytes download speed, which is a very much of an overkill anyway. So provides user with stable high-speed data transfer rates up to 600 megabytes per second on the power line length up to 300 meters. So that is absolutely long. So simply push the pair button on the adapters to quickly set up a hassle-free power line network. Yeah, it's actually good anyway. So these are the specs. Yeah, if I can get the camera right. So that's your description of the actual gadget itself. But as you can see, I've actually got this on Argos. It's been opened and examined by 5742734. Yeah, and it's got a 3-year warranty as well. So let's get opening this then. Right, so in here you got the quick installation guide. Shows you how to get set up quickly. Yeah, and not just that, gonna review this as well. So what I like about it, it's a lot better than connecting to your internet wirelessly by the USB adapter, because especially when you're streaming on Twitch, I recommend that you don't stream via the USB a wireless adapter. I recommend you stream your gameplays or whatever via the wired connection, because wired connection's a lot better anyway. So as you can see, you got that's one of the plugs. So that goes into the back of your modem router. Let me just get the router out. All right, just bear with me a second, guys. Okay. Right, so that's the back of your router. So your Ethernet cable goes in to that one. So this is my old Sky router, which I had years ago anyway, but it's very much useless now. And let's say you got the back of your computer, and that goes in there via the Ethernet. So that way you got a much stable internet connection as well. But as you can see, they actually come with the leads itself, but I just went and gone and wasted £15 on leads, which I didn't even need to anyway. So I returned them to Argos and got my money back for it. And anyway, so you got 2 wires here, and they're very much good quality as well. So just like I said, this is only the starter kit. And I do myself game a lot on, not just that, I'm more of a YouTube streamer anyway. So this does fit the channel anyway. But I just got to say, that's my little unboxing and review done, guys. So take care of yourselves, and I will be streaming tomorrow again, or probably later on in the week. And if you're new to the channel, just feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Peace, dudes.